Hey, welcome to the Messy Kitchen. Thought I'd start us off simple with some bacon in the oven. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our Wright brand Applewood smoked hickory thick cut bacon. You can get this on food stamps at HEB. I'm sure that outside of Texas, most places would have a form of thick cut bacon that'll be able to go from food stamps. So what we're going to do is we're going to set the oven to 400 degrees and we're going to lay our bacon out on this wire rack. You can do about 3 or 4 on one wire rack. A wire rack will cost you anywhere from $6 to $40. But if you're spending $40 on your wire rack, it damn well better heat the bacon itself. You shouldn't be spending that much on your wire rack. So we're going to take the bacon and we're going to lay it out on here. And then part 2, we'll show you how to put it in the oven and maybe some extra spices or herbs you can throw on it. Alright, and we're back. So now that we got the bacon layered out on the wire rack, what you can do is you can take, if you want to, some green chives, oregano or sage, or syrup, and you can drizzle it on top. My wife really loves it when I put the syrup on there, but you don't want to put too many things because you don't want to weigh it down. What I like to do for myself, and it's a little quirky, but I take a little bit of toffee grinds, and I sprinkle them on top. It adds a diner kind of flavor to it. So then we're going to take it, and we're going to put it in the oven for 400 degrees. For 20 minutes. It may take less time. I'd suggest you check it at 10. If it doesn't look good, leave it in there for 5. If it still doesn't look good, go and leave it in there for the last 5. We'll be back at part 3 to see how it looks when we take it out. Alright, welcome back to part 3. This will be the last part. So we're going to go ahead and take it out. Look at that. Look at how pretty that is. So we're going to set it up here. Make sure to always turn off your oven. And what we're going to do is, we're going to take a cookie sheet, throw some paper towels on it to dry up the grease, and we're going to take our tongs, just clack them once, and you're going to take them off just like that. Look at that. And you're going to lay it down flat on the piece of paper towel. And just like that, they're done. You might want to let them sit for a little bit to cool down. But they look delicious, and like I said, it's a lot more pliable this way, a lot more easy to cut up and use for like salads and such, or just make some damn good bacon.